Where'd you get this from?
I just ordered it online through.
How much?
It was around like £5. Is it looks nice or?
Well, yeah. It's a bit big, but
Yeah, I just ordered the bigger one, so you can see clearly.
yeah, you know, when we use the little ones, they're only about £4 or £5. But yeah, that's fine. You've checked all your tyres, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. So as far as that sea goes back. Okay. Right, I'm bringing my badge today.
Okay.
Do you know what that means?
Yeah, I know.
I believe that you can drive
Like
safely.
our driving instructor.
If I wasn't confident in your driving skills, I would
Okay.
I wouldn't fetch it, yeah. So I'm
Yeah,
just going to leave
you
that
can
there.
like put it like that there. It's okay,
I'll
that's
leave it
fine.
there.
That's fine.
Right. Today we've got tell them your name because I can't pronounce that.
Yeah, my name hello everyone. Like my name is Waqas here.
Waqas,
So
yeah.
we are gonna do the mock test today with Mr. Khan.
We're not doing a mock test today.
Yeah.
No, we're just going to drive for an hour and let's see what your drive's like.
Yeah.
He's had one driving test before in where?
I did one exam before in Gateshead, but
What was the examiner like? Was he nice or horrible?
he was very rude actually, and I totally lost my confidence on that time.
So he's knocked his confidence. He's lucky the examiners in Durham are really nice, very calm, cool. So, but they will mark the same as that examiner in Gateshead. So, have any questions before we start?
No.
Sure.
Like show me question, tell me question. I know about these things.
Good.
So I think we can start.
Yeah, we'll go on. Off you go when you're ready. Just turn right out of here.
Okay.
That's the one, sir. It's a nice car, this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just bought before 3 months ago.
Yeah. Where's your speedo? On that side.
Yeah, it's on this side.
This
Yeah.
side. So if he leans over, he's checking your speed.
Okay.
Got that?
Yeah.
So you might be driving too fast or too slow.
So I should drive like a 50 is okay on this
About
road?
45, yeah. 45, 50.
Yeah, it's 50 right now.
Yeah, that's good. Is it?
Yeah.
Wow. It's a good speed. And can you reverse it in reverse, your choice, left or right? Well, look over your left shoulder. Left shoulder, that's the one. Well, you got the little spot mirrors on.
Yeah.
I used to use them many years ago. Thanking you. Turn right out of you.
You ready?
That's it. The end of the road. Yeah, that was all good there. Really good speed, yeah?
Yeah. It's 50 right now.
Ooh. It's a bit touch, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was a blind spot as well.
Yeah. Just keep going for Newcastle till I tell you the words. No, no, no. Why have you gone into that lane for? What-
Okay, yeah, I did
What?
wrong things.
What?
It should be the left lane, I know.
No, I don't understand that. I really don't. Tell me why you done that for. Explain that one.
Because I was going to the straight, so
Yes.
I thought maybe, yeah, it was my mistake.
But why'd you do it? Learners do this all the time. I had a pupil fail earlier the day for that one. Why did you do it? Hmm? Oh.
So this one was the major fault?
Yes. You could have saved that easy. You could have just gone round the roundabout, come back round, yeah? What was that marking saying on the road?
It's for going back.
Right, where did you go?
Just came through direct because I did it because there was nobody behind. So
What? You've got to obey the road markings. I'm not bothered if there's nobody behind or not. You've got to obey them, yeah? You've got to obey the road markings. Oh, was he? To come with you, yes?
yeah,
Right, I'll sit in the back now. I'm not allowed to say anything, so I'll have to be quiet.
okay.
But I'll watch you drive like a professional.
Yeah.
We've had one serious fault today. What was it? Hmm?
Yeah, this one.
No. On the hour before, we've had one serious fault. What was it?
It was like I was in the wrong lane on the roundabout.
Right. I had a pupil fail for that the other day. If you come to that roundabout and there's no road markings and you're going straight ahead, which one do you keep to?
Left side.
Don't go to the right. Now you could have easily saved that when you went into the right lane. What could you have done?
Yeah.
Just gone all the way back round. How are you feeling? Are you nervous?
Yeah, I'm getting nervous actually.
You got your license, yeah?
Yeah. Sometimes he drive fast, so maybe.
Go around the car first. Well, you like them little dormers, don't you?
Yeah.
Great. What time is it?
It's 9.
9 what?
It's 9:01.
9
There's
what?
6 minutes remaining. Yeah.
Now you know.
I think we have to go upstairs.
You know where your window wipes and all that, don't you? Yeah. Well, it's time to wish this guy the very best of luck. He's a really good driver. He's very skillful. It should be an easy pass, but he has committed one serious fault. What was it for?
It was from the roundabout. Like I took the right lane.
Yeah, and it
And-
said turn right. What should you have done?
I should go around the
Yeah,
roundabout. Then I should go
just
ahead.
go right.
So,
Yeah, don't do that on a mini. But overall, if he drives to his best ability, it should be no more than just 2 or 3 driver faults. How many are you going for?
at this moment, I just got one serious fall.
No, are you going to pass or fail?
I'm not.
Hmm?
I'm not sure about it.
How are you? Give us a
It
prediction.
depends on my nervousness
Well,
actually.
if you get nervous, you ain't passing. It's that simple. If you
Yeah.
read the road, you're passing, and keep your brain working. Go on, give us a
Yeah.
pass
Yeah.
or fail.
Yeah, I feel a little bit nervous to be honest.
Don't get nervous. Don't get nervous. I'm sitting in the back. So, are you going to pass or fail?
50-50. I can't say anything.
Well, how many minor faults are you going to driver faults?
Like 15 is like until
Yeah.
is we can pass.
Yeah.
But
How
if
many?
it's-
How many are you going to get today? Do you think?
I think around maybe less than 10.
Less than 10.
Yeah.
It should be only 2 or 3. He's a really good driver. Howard, then let's go and meet the examiner. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, we're back off test. Tell them what you've done.
So I'm back here. So finally, I have passed my exam here.
Tell them what it feels like to pass your test.
Yeah, I'm feeling very happy at this moment. I have passed my exam, and it's all credit goes to Mr. Khan actually. So because I really appreciate. Like I have never seen this kinds of instructor before, to be honest.
Right.
And
Forget
I'm 100% recommending you. Like
forget
this
that rubbish, man. Tell them what the examiner was like.
examiner was very kind, and she makes me calm actually.
Mm-hmm.
I was very nervous in the
Yeah.
beginning, and but the way she was talking to me, she makes me calm and like normal. So
I sat in the back of the test, and the examiner she had was very, very professional. Put him at ease, made him feel really comfortable, and he passed easy. Nearly failed at the end, not checking the blind spot, but he got 3 driver falls, 2 for blind spots, and 1 was the other one.
the other one was she was saying something I think on the roundabout. Like I forgot
No,
to check
you
the
know your Bay Park. You had to go forward and then come back.
yeah.
So that was your other driver fault, yeah? So well done, young man, well done.
So how many minor faults I have got? Oh,
You've got 3.
3 minors.
2 for not checking your blind spots.
Okay.
1 for shunting forwards and backwards. Yeah?
Okay.
And that's it.
So just 3 only.
3 only. I said 2
Yeah.
or 3, didn't I?
That's not bad.
No, it's a good
Yeah.
drive. That was a good drive. When she pulled you up in the last 2 minutes, if you missed your blind spot check,
It's gonna be the major one.
exactly, but I watched and you looked over your shoulder, so well done, sir. It's been a pleasure. Yeah?
So thank you so much, Mr.
Drive
Gas.
safely, yeah? Right, give me badge.
Yeah,
Well
sure,
done.
guys.
Good drive, yeah? I need that. I need that.